How are genetic traits passed from parents to children? The secret of DNA. Have you ever wondered why you resemble your father in facial features or have the same eye color as your mother? The answer lies in DNA, or as we call it in scientific language, DNA. Today, we will talk about how genetic traits are passed from parents to children in a fun and simple way. What is DNA? DNA is a long string of instructions located inside the nucleus of every cell in our bodies. These instructions are like a manual that determines your eye color, your height, and even some of your personality traits. The basic unit of DNA is called a gene.
Did you know this information about genetics? Tell us in the comments.
How are genes passed on? When a sperm from your father unites with an egg from your mother to form a baby, they carry half of the chromosomes from each other. That means you have 46 chromosomes, 23 from your father and 23 from your mother. Within each chromosome, there are thousands of genes, and these genes are responsible for determining your characteristics.
Share the video with your biology-interested friends.
But how do you determine traits? That's where dominant and recessive genes come in. A dominant gene is one that expresses itself easily, like brown eye color. A recessive gene needs to be present in two copies to be expressed, like blue eye color.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more great content.
Have you ever wondered how genes and environment work together to shape our traits? In this video, we'll learn about the role of genes and how the environment influences them to shape the details of our lives. Stay tuned.
Do you think environment affects genetic traits? Discuss with us. Which genetic traits do you think you inherited from your parents? Write them in the comments.
What are genes? Genes are small units found in the cells of our bodies. These units carry the genetic instructions that determine how we look, the color of our eyes, and even the way we grow. Every cell in our body contains a nucleus, and inside it is a DNA molecule, which contains a large set of genes.
Do you think genetics are more influential than environment? Why? What is the strangest genetic trait you know? Share with us.
The role of the environment. But did you know that genes are not the only ones that control our characteristics? The environment plays a big role. Think of a plant that grows in fertile soil with enough sunlight. How will it grow? It will certainly be strong and healthy. On the other hand, if it grows in a poor environment, it may be weak. This applies to humans as well.
Are you similar to one of your parents in something? Tell us what it is.
Genes and environment interaction. To understand how genes and environment work together, imagine a person who has genes that give him or her tall height. But if he or she doesn't get a healthy diet, he or she may not reach that height. Or a person who has genes that promote intelligence, but if the environment doesn't provide a good education, that intelligence may not be fully expressed.
Did you know that some genetic traits don't appear until a whole generation later? What do you think the reason is?
Ultimately, genes give us our starting point, but the environment determines the details. Remember, every choice you make affects the life you live. I hope you found the video helpful, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon. Complex genetic traits. Some traits do not depend on just one gene, but on a large group of genes, such as intelligence and height. These traits are also influenced by environmental factors, such as nutrition and lifestyle. So, the traits we inherit are not just a coincidence, but the result of a delicate system within our bodies. And each one of us is a unique combination of our parents' genes. Don't forget to share the video with your friends to spread the benefit, and share with us in the comments, what trait did you inherit from your parents that you are proud of? Thank you for watching, and see you soon.